So I'm just going to do a quick video to talk about key features of a quadratic. Quadratics. I can't spell. So first things first, we started by identifying the components. So I'm going to just do a really quick little quadratic graph here. And I'm going to start by graphing. So remember, always label your axes. And again, I'm just going to graph a really quick quadratic just so I can identify different components here. I'm just really actually using y equals x squared. And I just always extend and extend that quadratic. So first things first, we want to look at different parts. So here is our vertex. This is where the direction change happens with our quadratic. In this case, this is actually our x-intercept as well, because it's where it crosses the x-axis. Our line of symmetry would be this line right here, or our axis of symmetry, excuse me. If I were to draw another quadratic, say over here, that looks like that, and I'll just extend my x-axis, then I'm going to have a little bit of difference here. Here would be my vertex. My x-intercepts would be here, and my axis of symmetry would be right here, cutting through the center. Today we talked about vertex form, which is y equals a bracket x minus h all squared plus k. And we identified what the different variables tell us about our actual quadratic. So we talked about a, and if a is positive, then our graph is going to open up. If a is negative, then it's going to open down. We talked about our vertex, and identifying that our vertex is hk. And it's very important to remember that h changes sign. So for example, if we have y equals negative 3x plus 5 squared minus 2, our direction of opening in this case would be down because of the negative 3. Our vertex would be our h and our k. And in this case, it was a positive 5, so it's now going to change to a negative 5. And the k stays the same, so it's a negative 2. So here's our vertex.